Well, this is a live look at PNC Park on the North Shore right now, where the Buccos are in town this weekend, taking on the cross-state rival Philadelphia Phillies. Following a walk-off win last night, the Pirates hope to walk away with the first two games of the series. And Mary, it is just a beautiful day for baseball.
Oh, so nice. And it is a little
better than yesterday.
Much better than yesterday. It is still a little bit hazy. You can't really see that clear blue sky. So
I noticed that in the tower cam shot.
Yeah, the wildfire smoke just lingering a little bit further south, but it is moving out of the region. But we have rain moving back into the region. So we can't have a win-win, but we do have a quiet evening, increasing clouds through tonight. And we're looking at heavy rain through tomorrow morning and then some thunderstorms into the evening. But the biggest threat with this next round and this next system moving in, it is going to be the potential for flooding. So right now on our satellite and radar, we are looking pretty quiet, increasing clouds, a spotty shower for areas into the Laurel Highlands and also east. But notice when I talked about that wildfire smoke, when we had it earlier in the week, we could really see that. So it was really heavy, but we just had that light blue. So it's starting to filter out of the region, but still just sagging a little bit further south into closer to the surface at least. But we will see things clearing out at least through this evening. 76 degrees. Wind gusts are picking up at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So that not helping with those clear skies. But we do have temperatures near normal, mid to upper 70s. 77 in Greensburg. That's where we should be this time of the year. 79 in Beaver. Butler, you're at 75 right along with Franklin. So tomorrow, as we head into the morning hours, so rain moves in at about 7, 8 o'clock south of I-70. That flood watch starts at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it goes until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So heavy downpours with this. That's going to move to the north off to the east. The heavy rain will last until about 3, 4 o'clock. So it's going to be a heavy, steady rain. Any outdoor activities through the first part of the day, not going to be great. Have that backup plan to move things inside. After 3 o'clock, we see a lot of those showers and storms stay south of I-70. So places into Washington, Westmoreland, Beaver, Butler, you'll catch a little bit of a break around 5, 6 o'clock into the evening, and then things will clear out. Our next round of rain then moves in on Monday. So we have 2 KDKA First Alert weather days back to back. And with Monday, we could have some severe storms with this last line that's moving through, lasting until 9, 10 o'clock Monday night, and then finally exiting the region by about 4 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. And then Tuesday looks a lot better. So here's where we see that light rain starting tomorrow morning. Then it's going to pick up in intensity. And then that red bar you're seeing about 5, 6 o'clock, that's where we can have some thunderstorms. And then our next round will be Monday into the afternoon and evening. So in terms of how much rainfall we could pick up, there could be some areas that pick up a 1/2 inch to an inch in places like Murraysville, Monroeville, and Trafford, who really saw a lot of that heavy rain, could pick up an additional inch of rainfall. And then on top of that, another 1/2 inch to an inch, totaling the next 2 days, close to 2 inches for some areas. And for the month, we are already above average by over 1/4 inch of rainfall for the month so far. So it's going to be very soggy as we end the weekend and start off next week, but then we will finally see some clearing throughout midweek. And our temperatures June 15th through June 21st, we're actually going to be back near average, which is by that point 80 degrees. So tonight, 65 degrees, mostly cloudy. Looking at our 7-day forecast tomorrow, low 70s. It's cooler, upper 70s on Monday. It's going to be warm with the chance of storms, and upper 70s on Tuesday. It gets better midweek. Wednesday, 80 and sunny, mid 80s sunny on Thursday, low 80s on Friday, but then we do have the chance of storms moving back in on Saturday with highs staying right around 80 degrees.